Chess, but your king has paranoia. You must sacrifice a piece every 5 moves, exceptions being rooks when after castling and the queen. Okay, let's try to win this challenge. I'll start with e4. Okay, so let's grab the pawn. Let's move his queen away, and don't forget, I have only 5 moves before sacrifice. Queen f5, that's the first time I see such a beautiful square for the queen. So now I have a little bit of time to develop my pieces. Let's jump with the horsey. Pawn to e5, strong, but lack the development. Time to sacrifice. That's a statement right there. I need to use this for good. Knight takes. It's time. Okay, so the first sack is done. No, I have some time. a6, maybe countering my next sacrifice on b5. Clever. Okay, so he played b5 and doesn't know what to do, basically. But I have a plan. d4, let's see where his queen moves. Queen f6, that's what I wanted. Now watch and learn. But the problem is that I have to blunder first. So, let's find a good blundering piece. Bishop g5, he can take it, I don't mind. After we blundered 2 pieces, we get chance to give mate similar to ready Tartakover. Brilliant. Okay, so he takes the bishop. Bishop b5 double check. I'm sure he expected something more common. He can't defend against both threads and has to move the king to d8 where it will be checkmated. He resigned after 2-minute think. Good start.